Hey, my name is Joanna and I'm here today to present a list of amazing
car washing sponges mitts.
If found your desired product here, please subscribe to our channel and like this video to continue making more top 10 videos. Also turn notification on to get latest videos uploaded.
Hey, what's up Chemical Guys family, and welcome back to a brand new episode of Chemical Guys Detail Garage. On today's episode, we're asking ourselves, what is foam, what does it do you need it, and why do we use it? So I'm going to be answering everything that you guys need to know about foam on today's video, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so when it comes to washing our rides, I'm pretty sure that you guys have seen on our channel or have heard about foam wash. Now, foam wash is a great way to wash your car because it's a great way to reduce the chance of installing scratches and swirls during the wash process. And that's one of the biggest things about foam. So using the foam washing method to wash your car is going to do an incredible job at helping you reduce the overall chance of inflicting any kind of damage to your paintwork.
The Chemical Guys Premium Grade Microfiber Applicator is the ideal choice for applying your favorite Chemical Guys products. This applicator is your best choice for applying waxes, sealants, glazes, dressings, and much more. This premium applicator has dual interior stitched seams to ensure edges never touch the surface of your paint, reducing surface scratches and improving the application of all products. Premium 100% machine washable microfiber fabric is wrapped around a plush Durafoam pad that is engineered to deliver just the right amount of pressure to easily mold itself to the surface, delivering just the right amount of product. This applicator pad will not saturate the sponge and will not retain product, which would lead to product waste. Keep your microfiber applicator and all microfiber towels at the peak of their softness and performance with Microfiber Wash Cleaning Detergent Concentrate. The Chemical Guys Premium Grade Microfiber Applicator, available right here on Amazon.